G'day guys, Matty Mac here. I was going to build a funnel this morning. A lot of people have asked me about a tutorial, making tutorial videos. A lot of people out there make tutorial videos, step-by-step videos. And in the past, we've just taken snippets of videos and put them on YouTube in a particular style, a particular way. So I was just going to try and come up with a new funnel that actually where you can just drop your videos in step by step and have links to if they want to download other information. So I'm just going to go ahead and start one from scratch. This is not really edited in any way, so I'm just going to do it on the fly here. So we're going to build a new one. It's not really any of these. Clickfunnels is good. You can choose sort of ready-made. They'll give you a lot of options that are ready-made. You can just customize. I think I'm going to go straight from scratch here. Let's call it a tutorial funnel. You can choose from templates. Opt-in. Don't really want to opt-in page, although you could do an opt-in page first if you wanted to grab details and then send them through to your tutorial. That's not a bad idea. Start with a really simple one, eh? Try and keep it nice and clean. Come back to it in a second. Start with something simple. Okay, I'm going to come back to that opt-in in a second. I want to get started on the sales page, so the tutorial page. Memberships. Memberships are good. You can add password. People can log in with their own password, pick up where they left off. Webinars, of course. Let's just go with something simple. Let's go with a simple sales page. I'm really going to strip it back and start again. So something like this. It's got the video, so we're going to need the video and then buttons to go to and from. Bit of info. This will be fairly simple. Let's go with this one. So a tutorial. So you might have how-to videos, instructional videos. You want step-by-step. You want to give somebody step-by-step instructions to do something. You might have affiliate offers or somewhere where somebody needs to set up some software or something like that, and you just want to make a few videos and then just lay them out in something really simple. This is going to be ideal for that sort of application. Alright, let's get into it here. So bear with me, I'm just going to go through this at my own pace, and you guys can fast forward or pause or go along at your own pace. So the blue, I don't know how I feel about the blue, but there's a lot of other stuff here that I really don't need. I'll get rid of all that sort of stuff. Really start with a clean blank slate. Maybe Maybe we'll keep the blue. Alright, let's clean the slate first. I want to get rid of all this stuff. Brand your own stuff if you're creating it. I'm going to leave that one at the end just in case you want to sell something. It's pretty cool. You can link that 3D sales page. I'll leave that for now. All this other stuff really don't need. I'm just going to sweep this clean. That's a pretty cool feature here. Check feature. I really don't need all that stuff. Get rid of all this completely, I reckon. What's a place to put information? I'll keep one of those just in case. Alright. This video is pretty big. You could knock it down size if you want just a smaller one. It's basically leading people where you want them to go. So. Get rid of this stuff. Well, so you really want to lead them, so make it obvious. So they're just going to fall onto this page and follow your videos through. So pretend you want to set up a ClickBank offer. So you want to do a video on how to get into ClickBank, set up your account. That'll be a good one here. Set up your account first, and then this button down here will take you there. Set up your account here. Now, if that's your affiliate link, that's even better. It's something very simple like that. You're probably going to need a few words to say as well, I think. Let's just add a few words in, shall we? Just in case. Because you want to add in a few bits and pieces here. So step 1 and then the link. Alright, now that's pretty good. Belongs up further there. Just thinking about this as I go, so bear with me. I don't want columns. I don't want columns. I want. Let's add in a separate button, shall we? That's a bit better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Not that blue on blue, but hey, that's a bit picky. I'm just going to write for click to access. So your first one might be access clickbait. There you go. Okay. Just going to get rid of that. Now, to make it easy, obviously you might have more than one step, two step, however many. That's easy. And it's that simple. Might be step 2. Step 1, step 2, and that's going to be all. Okay. I'll add a 3, 4, and 5. It's easy enough to add a few there. Step 3. Step 4. Okay. So all you need to do is make your little videos here and just link them on. It's easy enough to link them on when you do. Change the colour if you just don't like it. Blue is blue, whatever. And all you need to do is embed your video in there, and that'll come up automatically. Change all these details. Very simple. Write a little blurb about what you're talking about, and then if they need to access through to any additional information, download the instructions here. Anything you want to put in there, that's easy enough to do. Your 4 steps. If you want just 3 steps, it's easy enough to just get rid of these. Head up here and just delete. That'll take away that whole section. And if you want to access, I'll just swap these around. Let's just swap these around here. There we go. So if you want to sell anything, give them access to anything else, join the Facebook page, that's a good one. Yes, I want to join something like that. So I'm not going to go into details about words and stuff. You guys can make that up yourself. This is just putting together the framework. Tips and tricks. If you want to sell something, that's pretty much the basic there. Really simple, as I said. If you want to fluff it up, put extra pictures in, other information, it's very easy to do. Very easy to do indeed. Alright, let's just save that. Preview that. So when somebody comes onto the page for the first time, have your step 1 You can write it further than that. Step 1, tell them what step 1 is, and then they'll watch the video. You've got your little information down here if you want to change that, and then click to access any further information. Then straight on to step 2, your next video, your next video, your next video. Pretty simple, but effective. Much easier than trying to link different YouTube videos together, that sort of thing. So I might leave a link for this if you guys want to download just a copy of this and then adjust it for yourself. I'll leave a link in this video. You will need Clickfunnels to host this one. Clickfunnels do a 2-week trial. You can try it out. If you don't want to pay for Clickfunnels at all, it is worth it. But if you really didn't want to, I can do a host for you. If you want me to host it for you, I can do that. If you want me to build a funnel customized to you, I can do that as well. Just hit me up below, or go onto my Facebook page and hit me up there. That's about it. Good luck with that, guys. I'll put this up and put the link on for you guys soon. Thanks very much.